Last time you saw me trying the sail on ice. Now I will make a new attempt to test the sails. Some out where there is less ice. At least yet. It's a freezing morning, but the sun makes a difference. Now I'm out on the sea, outside Oaxen. I went here because there is no ice on the sea here. On the inside there is some ice. It was a cold night, so I could have had more ice, but I guess the wind kept it ice free. I want to go north around the island. But have to wait for the cable ferry to make its passage. When it is back at the landing at Oaxen, I fill my sail with a gentle breeze and go north over the cable. The wind is coming out from the northwest, so it gets a bit stronger further out from the western shore. Some paddling to help the turn seems like the most efficient way to change tack. I notice that the nut on the starboard pontoon is about to fall off, so I set course towards inland to fix it. Soon I'm out again. Now the pontoon is more secure. But I will still change the nut to a wing nut later on, to be able to secure it without tools. The mainsail turned out reasonably well. A little uneven in the leech and perhaps too much chamber. What do you think? But it pulls the boat. And I do not make much noise. Still, I succeed in upsetting some creatures. Backlit from the sun, the sail does not look so amateur made. With both sails, I notice the rudder is on the smaller side. Turning starboard. Or turning port does not go fast. The jib in combination with the main works fine. With just a faint wind, it drives a kayak. I feel happy with how the sails turned out and take a few moments to enjoy the nature. I do some paddling to skip a track before I can turn around the north point. Here I get a few moments with more wind, filling the sails. Before I get into the lee of the quarry island. At the lunch beach, I find the conditions dangerously slippery, despite the rubber grip under my wet boots. So I set up the kitchen a bit up from the water, where you do not directly slide down into the water. As it's quite cold here in the shadow, I look forward to a hot meal. So I set up the burner. And lit the flame. A warming soup will soon be in the pot. Here I should have had a few drone shots. But as a drone decided to land in the sea, there are none. A moody lunch view is all I can give you here. After lunch I have to paddle as the wind has died. The benefit is that I get a close look at the industrial artifacts from the limestone quarry. Here transformed into summer houses. But here as intact cement silos. And a well-kept cement furnace with company. The sun sets at about 15:30, so I have to get going. While I do, let's consider the pontoons. If I wanted, I could complicate things and attach lines in the bow and the stern to control the turning moment. In this faint wind, it does not matter. Perhaps I need to test it in stronger wind. Otherwise, what do you think about the shape? It has a low drag. Perhaps I should settle for this pontoon shape. Or should I cut off some material in the lower front? It's starting to get dark already. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and the sun is setting behind the clouds, but soon it will be behind the horizon as well. Here I left some moody scenes for the fanatics. If you're just here for the sail testing, you can skip this last section. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.